Hi, this video tutorial is to demonstrate how to create outbound and inbound scripts for your campaigns. Now, to create a script, you would go to the Scripts tab and select Add a New Script. Then you would put in a script ID. So since I am going to create an outbound script, I'm just going to type in outbound. And I'll go ahead and input the script name. I'm going to call this script an outbound script. Now, this name or the title of the script is what is going to show at the very top of the script. The comments can be left blank. You can also disable the script whenever you no longer want to use it. And right here is where you can type in the body of the script. Now, the dialer has the ability to insert any field that you uploaded from your leads list. For instance, I inserted the first name field, so if it would say hi John if I had a lead, if I dialed a particular lead and that was his first name. Now you can also insert the agent's name. And any of the fields you can insert here. Some have to be uploaded though, and will be inserted if they were in your leads list. For instance, you can also, if you wanted to confirm like an address or telephone number, you can ask a question and insert those fields in here. Now to save, you would click Submit. Now the next thing that you would need to do is assign your outbound script to a campaign. Now I could assign this outbound script to any campaign. However, I can only assign one outbound script to one campaign. For instance, if I go into Client D Auto, I want that outbound script assigned to the campaign. So I'm going to go to the scripts field and select outbound script in the drop-down menu and make sure my changes were saved. Now if I wanted to use that script for another one of my campaigns, I can do so. Now I'll show you what it looks like when you log in. I'm going to select Client D Auto since I assigned it to that campaign. Now this script should pop up when you make a manual call. I'm going to make a manual call for the sake of this demonstration, but also when you're in ratio mode, the script will pop up as well. So as you can see, the script pops up once the call is placed. Here's your title at the top. And then it says, "Hi Ronald, my name is Veronica Leal." Now, Ronald is the first name that I inserted, and here is Veronica Leal is the agent name. So then I'm going to go ahead and log out and show you what an inbound script looks like. So I would go ahead and go back to your Scripts tab, select Add a New Script, and this ID is going to be inbound. Now the difference between an outbound and inbound script is you can actually have multiple inbound scripts. And I'll show you why in a moment. I'm going to go ahead and name this inbound script. Now I want the body of my script to look different for when there are incoming calls as opposed to outgoing calls. So this is just a sample. Hi. My name is agent name. What can I assist you with today? Okay, so this is an example of if someone has an outbound call center and you have someone call in. And then save the changes. And now you can see that the inbound script was changed. Now, instead of going back into the campaign to assigning that script, you would have to go back into your inbound groups or your in groups to assign your script. Now, if you click on inbound in groups, show in groups, these are all the in-groups I have selected. Now let's say that script that I selected was for tech support. I would go and click Modify and go to the Scripts tab, and I'm going to select Inbound Script and save my changes. Now, for any reason, let's say I have another in-group that was a sales in-group in here, I could create another script for my salespeople and add that script to my sales in-group instead. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in to that same campaign. And I'm going to go ahead and call my inbound number that's assigned to my campaign. That way you can see what the inbound script looks like for this particular campaign. So as you can see, it says the title here at the top, Inbound Script. Hi, my name is, and there's the agent name. What can I assist you with today? So basically that's it. That's how you can create inbound or outbound scripts.